Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dr. Robinson again, and we're going to continue our study skills dedicating to Angel A for questions that he wrote. So, Angel, this topic is for you on probability. Thank you for writing in. And remember, there's Dollar Teacher Homework Helpline at 212-777-3380, Monday through Thursdays at 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. So give them a call. They're good people. Watch Dr. Robinson on YouTube. My channel name is Dan Robinson. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know what we're doing right and or wrong. Write us a comment. I'll be glad to write back. Check out our latest release, PKMS Math Prep 19. And it's a good movie. I think you'll enjoy it. Tweet us at DRobMath1. Don't forget to watch our show Math Time on Tuesdays at 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Optimum Cablevision, Channel 15, and Peekskill. All right, so here's our first question. You're going to roll a fair number cube. That's a dice cube. And we're going to find the probability of each one of these questions. So here we want P stands for probability. Our event is we want a 3, and then we want a 5 in rolling a cube. I see we have a 5 already. So remember, when we do simple probability, when we're rolling something and just curious about what the outcome is going to be, we remember it's the number of ways you win over the total possible outcomes. So the number of ways you win is if you get a 3. So if I click this, hopefully I'll get a 3. No, I got a 6. But I could have got a 3 there. I think I saw a 3. So there's only one 3 out of 6 possible numbers. So the probability of getting a 3 would be 1 out of 6. Well, now I want a 5. So let me roll one more time, see if I can get a 5. There, I got lucky. I got a 5 this time. So there's only one 5 out of all 6 numbers, though. So the probability of getting a 5 would be 1/6 as well. So now, how does this differ since we're rolling the dice cube more than one time? So this is what's called compound probability, where we're actually doing it more than one item or more than one time. So that's compounding it. And then notice I said times. I'm going to actually take these two fractions and multiply them together because the counting principle tells us to multiply when you're doing two different items or one thing and then followed by another thing that many times. You multiply, and that'll give you the number that you're interested in for that event compounded. So it's compounding because you're doing two different events, and that's going to be multiplied according to the counting principle. So 1/6 times 1/6 is 1/36. And if you forgot how to multiply fractions, remember top numbers multiplied by the top numbers, and bottom numbers top multiplied give you the new bottom number. So 1/36 is the probability of getting a 3, then a 5. You'll find out that it's not that easy. Okay? All right, so here's a problem for you, Angel. See if you can do it. See if you can roll a 2 and then another 2. So remember, find the probability of getting a 2, and then find the probability again of getting a 2, and then hopefully you'll multiply those numbers, and that'll give you the answer. Check your understanding. Hopefully everything is going well for you. If not, write down your questions and write me again. I'll be glad to send you some more information about it. All right, here we got a box contains some 15 billiard balls. So let me underline the 15 so I know how many billiard balls they're talking about. Numbered 1 to 15. So there are 15 of them. Anna draws a ball, records the number. So she's going to write down the number, then return it to the box. That's important that she's returning it to the box because we want to have the same amount in the box, so that way we don't have to worry about subtracting any. So there'll still be 15 balls, billiard balls in the box because she took out one, wrote it down, and then put it back in the box. So then Vicky is going to draw a ball. So find the probability. All right, so let's take a look at what we got here. For number 4, we have probability of getting a 9 by Anna, and then Vicky's going to get a 3. Well, there are 15 balls. They're billiard balls. One of them has a 9 on them. So the 9 is what I'm interested in getting, and there's only one 9 out of 15. So the probability that and it gets a 9, the billiard ball 9 is 1 out of 15. So Vicky's going to draw a ball now. She wants to get a 3. So there's only one of those out of the 15. So the probability of Vicky getting a 3 would be also 1 out of 15. So remember, I'm going to take these two fractions and I'm going to multiply them together to give me the probability of getting a 9 and then a 3. Because of the counting principle, we multiply these two fractions. So 1/15 times 1/15 is 1/25, 1/225. So that's how we get our answer for that. All right, so let's look at number 5. And I want to look at number 5 a little interestingly because it says probability of getting an 8, but then an odd. What do you mean odd? I assume they're talking about an odd number. So odd number. Well, we know that there's 1 8, but an odd number. 1 through 15 are the numbers of billiard balls there are. Odd means it can't be divided by 2 without getting a remainder. So 1 would be an odd number. 3 would be a next odd number. 5 would be an odd number. 7 would be an odd number. 9 would be an odd number. 11 would be an odd number. 13 would be an odd number. 15 would be an odd number. 17 would be an odd number. Angel, can I use 17? That's right, Angel. I can't use 17 because there are only 15 billiard balls there. So I'm going to stop right there. These are all of the odd numbers of billiard balls that we can get. So those are my odd number billiard balls. So if I get any one of those, I win. So that would be the odd billiard balls out of 15. And there's my one little 8 that I need also. And if I get the probability of that, and my odd, multiply that by the probability of getting all these numbers, I will get my answer. So Angel, I'm going to leave that to you, and I'll leave that on this page for you to figure out. And then even and odd. Well, I mentioned odd numbers. We know they're not divisible by 2 without getting a remainder. Even numbers are numbers that you can divide by 2, and there is no remainder. Hopefully I said that right. With odd, there is a remainder. Even, there is no remainder. So 2, when you divide that by 2, there's no remainder. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. Angel, are we allowed to use 16? That's right, Angel. If you said we're not allowed to, you're right, because 16 is too big. There's only 15 billiard balls there, so we have to stop right there. Those are our even billiard ball numbers. So we want even billiard balls. And then, oh, odd. Well, we just had the list of odds. So, Angel, you might want to back up and get those odd numbers. So we want even, then odd. All right? So I'm going to leave that question for you. So check your understanding. Hopefully you got it right. And if not, write down your questions and we'll see what we can do for you. So remember, there's Dollar Teacher Homework Helpline at 212-777-3380, Monday to Thursdays, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Don't forget, you can check out my YouTube videos. My channel name is Dan Robinson. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Tell your friends to subscribe. And write us a comment. Let us know how we're doing. And I do right back. Watch our latest release, PKMS Math Prep 19. We're working on Math Prep 20. So look for it soon. Tweet us at DRobMath1. Don't forget to watch our show Math Time on Tuesdays at 4:30 to 5 p.m. on Optimum Cablevision, Channel 15 and Peekskill. And if you want to study with me and ask me questions about the math, I'll be glad to make a tutorial video and dedicate it to you. So write me at robinsonmath@aol.com or at my school address, email address. So don't forget, Math Prep 20. I hope you enjoyed the video and got something out of it. And we've come down to the end. So this is Dr. Robinson signing off. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.